Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about inequalities. So now I need to prove about this equation. So the first thing we need to do, we need to multiply both sides by d plus e plus f, and that should be like this. Next, this one we can change by the square root of the everything to the power of 2. Similar for this one. About this one, we can put like this, that is about 8 over the square root of the everything to the power of 2. This one, I will put about b over the square root of e, everything to the power of 2. This one, that is about c over the square root of f. Next, we can apply this formula in here, that is about Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. So the formula of this one, that should be like this. Now we can apply this one from this one go to this one, and that should be like this. Now we simplify this one, and we have a plus b plus c, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.